Hey Vikas, can I withdraw money anytime from a mutual fund?
It depends on the type of mutual fund, Sapna. Some funds offer easy liquidity, while others may have exit loads or lock-in periods.
So I can't just take out my money whenever I want?
You can, but it's important to check the fund's terms. ELSS funds have a 3-year lock-in due to tax benefits. Open-ended funds allow withdrawals but may have exit loads if redeemed early. Debt funds offer liquidity with varying exit loads. Retirement funds come with a lock-in period for at least 5 years or till retirement age, whichever is earlier.
That makes sense. So I should plan my investments based on when I might need the money.
Exactly, Sapna. Investing smartly is not just about returns. It's about choosing funds that match your financial goals and liquidity needs.
Got it. Stay invested, stay patient, and let the money work for me.
Exactly, Sapna. Time in the market beats timing the market. An investor education and awareness initiative of Nippon India Mutual Fund. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.